I had a carburetor issue where the car doesn't want to idle, and then it would fuel stumble right off the accelerator pump. Looking at this, checking out this, nice and strong. This one, a little weak. Looking, oh, was that a drip? That's the accelerator pump. You can see it move. Where is it? Oh no. Right onto the header. So definitely want to make sure that we're going to be fixing that accelerator pump gasket, and hopefully that'll tighten up the carburetor itself and less air fuel metering issues, and also we're not leaking raw fuel right onto our header. I'll get back to you guys after I finish that up because it's kind of important, so I'm not going to video it. You guys can do videos with people with the carburetor off the car. I'm gonna try to do this with the carb on the car, so I'll get back to you on that.